Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm showing you how to make the best aromatic mouth-watering Arabian chicken mandi. Wash and soak the rice for 30 minutes. Take a cooking deep pot, add 1 cup pureed dry lemon, cinnamon sticks and some cloves. Cardamom, black cardamom, star anise mix and let it crackle. Add the 1 medium-sized chopped onion and mix well. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped tomato sauce and cook for a few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, mix well. Take whole chicken, cut half in between and make cuts. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Now add chicken in cooking pot and mix and flip the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt and water as required for boiling. Mix well and cover the lid. Cook for 20 minutes in low flame or until it's tender. Remove the lid, flip the chicken another side. Add 1 paste lemon juice, chopped coriander leaves, mix well and cover the lid. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. You will receive amazing, tasty and easy recipes. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the cooking pot and set it aside. In the same cooking pot, boil chicken water, measure if needed more water, add as per rice. When water boils, add soaked rice mix. Cover the cooking pot tightly and let it cook on high flame to allow the flavors to meld together. Once again, mix rice and cook in low flame until rice cooked perfectly. Prepare the marinade for the chicken. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons cooking oil, a half teaspoon salt, a half teaspoon red chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon red food color and mix. One teaspoon corn flour, mix till all ingredients combine into a paste. Apply prepared marinade paste on the chicken with brush or hand all over. Let the chicken marinate for a few minutes. Heat a frying pan with oil for shallow frying the marinated chicken on a medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Remove from pan and keep aside. Open the lid of cooking pot, put some fried onion, some fried walnuts, fried almonds, chopped coriander leaves. Place the chicken on top of the rice, leaving some space in the middle. Place a bowl, put piece of hot charcoal in the middle. Pour some oil over it and seal the pot immediately. Let it smoke for 5 minutes. Take a mixie jar, add 4 medium-sized tomato slices, 4 garlic pods and 4 green chili. Grind it into thick paste. Take a bowl, transfer it in bowl, add a half teaspoon salt, chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Mandi sauce is ready. Serve the rice on a big plate. Garnish it with fried onion, chopped coriander, fried nuts and raisins. Place the chicken on top and serve it hot with Mandi sauce. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye, see you again with another recipe.